Earlier today, I showed you how to use Microsoft Excel to plot a scatter plot and to compute Pearson's correlation coefficient. I didn't show you how to put the trend line, the line of best fit that goes through the data, whereby the correlation coefficient is measuring how well the line fits that data. I'm going to go over the creation of the chart again and also the correlation coefficients computation using Excel in case it was you had to go before I got to that or you weren't getting it. So what you have to do is select the data that you want to create the scatter plot for. So I'm selecting those two columns and rows for the 20 male foot lengths compared to their heights to see if there's a correlation. Click the insert button, go over to the recommended charts, and if I click all charts, the 8th option here is Scatterplot. When you click on Scatterplot, you don't want to do the first one, but the second one you double click and it pastes that scatter plot there. For the sake of inserting the trend line, you just hover to this plus button that's to the right-hand corner of where the chart is, and you just scroll down, and there's a little box where you click trend line, and when you push trend line now, the line of best fit will be displayed. As far as finding the correlation coefficient for this data, we need to use the Pearson command that's embedded in Excel. So I will click on some cell underneath where the chart is and push the equals button and then start typing the first letters of Pearson, PE. And you'll notice the first one that pops up is Pearson. Double click on the Pearson command, and the syntax is you have to grab the array that has the data for the first of the two data sets that you're trying to compare to see if there's a correlation. In this case, it will be the array of all the values in cell B4 to B23 for the male foot lengths. Then you put a comma, and then you'll drag down from cell C4 to C23 for all of the array, including the heights of those males. Close parenthesis and push enter, and you'll see this value here has just been computed for you. You can blow that up a little bit or make it bold, and you can type above that that this is the Pearson correlation coefficient. You can see that Excel is pretty cool.